Right, so we have this magic arm from SmallRig. And this is the SmallRig difference. This is obviously it's not the same thing because it's not a magic arm, but when you see quality, design, I think a SmallRig also goes a little the extra mile. But here the design, and they know it, has to me a small flaw, because rather than the barebone ball here, they went ahead and put a rig, O-ring here, and this will wear out, so they give you 2 more. But once those are gone, you need to go to the hardware store and buy more, and maybe it will bail out on you while shooting. So nice, yes. Cute, yes. Functional, only time will tell. But in my experience, it's better the design that has balls with just metal with they put now threads here, so you can have a better grasp rather than reinventing the wheel. But time will tell. This is the here, for instance, you can put on top your monitor, right? And here on top you have the NATO clamp to attach to your cage. Your cage should have a NATO compliant design. I think the SmallRigs also have it. And you should be set. Where is the NATO clamp? I think this model doesn't have it. Right. No, this is not NATO compliant, but some camera reach. This is a SmallRig actually, I think, yeah, and doesn't have it at, but there are others that will. Oh yes, here is my NATO. So you are mounting your camera rig with NATO clamp, and that's it. 4 stars because I think the rings will wear out, and they know. That's why they give you more. But eventually you will run out of luck, and I hope it's while you are in the studio and you can replace it, and not in the middle of a wedding or a sports event.